Integrating JFrog Artifactory with Azure DevOps allows you to manage and distribute your artifacts efficiently while maintaining seamless CI/CD workflows. This integration helps in storing, managing, and distributing binaries, packages, and other build artifacts within the Azure DevOps environment. Set up JFrog Artifactory. Sign up for JFrog Artifactory. Create a JFrog Artifactory account or login if you already have one. You can choose the appropriate plan based on your organization's needs. Configure JFrog Artifactory. Set up repositories within JFrog Artifactory, such as Maven, Docker, or NuGet repositories, based on your project's needs. Create Azure DevOps project. Create Azure DevOps project. Log into Azure DevOps and create a new project if necessary. Set up Git repository. Use a Git repository within Azure DevOps to manage your codebase and build artifacts. Install JFrog CLI. Install JFrog CLI on your machine by following the instructions available on the JFrog CLI documentation. Authenticate JFrog CLI. Authenticate JFrog CLI by configuring it with your JFrog Artifactory credentials. Create Azure DevOps pipeline. Set up pipeline. Navigate to pipelines in Azure DevOps and create a new pipeline. Add JFrog CLI task. Add the step in the pipeline to execute JFrog CLI commands. Use the following JFrog CLI commands. Deploy artifacts to JFrog Artifactory. Artifact management. Use JFrog Artifactory as a repository to store artifacts such as Docker images, Maven packages, or any other build artifacts. CI/CD integration. Automate the process of pushing and managing artifacts in JFrog Artifactory using Azure DevOps pipelines. Monitor and manage. Monitor deployments. Track the status of artifact uploads and deployments directly from Azure DevOps. Version control and security. Ensure secure and version-controlled artifact storage in JFrog Artifactory using Azure DevOps for seamless integration.